Hello and welcome to Learn English Grammar. Present indefinite tense, assertive, affirmative sentences. Dear students, when we describe something, we use assertive sentences. It's also called declarative sentences. The structure: subject plus the present form of the verb. So first you put the subject and then you put the present form of the verbs. You can use pronouns, nouns, or noun phrases as the subject in a sentence. Okay, pronouns. For example, I, we, you, he, she, they, it. All of them are pronouns. Okay, let's see some nouns. Joseph, John, Abraham, London, Barcelona, etc. Any name can be a noun. Let's see some noun phrases that we can use as our subjects in the sentence. Earning money, respecting elders, loving children, learning lessons, helping the poor. So in the first example, earning money, earning is a verb, but it has the ing with it to make it function as a noun. So it's present participle. It can work as a noun and its object is money. Likewise, respecting is an ing form of verb, elders is its object. So altogether it's a noun phrase. You can understand the rest in the same way. Okay, let's see some examples of present indefinite tense when the sentences are assertive, affirmative. I speak the truth. The word I is a pronoun and it is used as the subject of this sentence. The verb or the action word speak is a verb and speak is the present form of the verb. So I speak is a present indefinite tense sentence and is in the assertive affirmative mood. So I speak the truth. We love our religion. You look after your parents. They take care of their children. We educate our generation. Okay, now let's see a very important rule. The third person singular number subject agrees with the S or ES form of verbs. So sometimes you notice that the verb in the present indefinite tense takes S or ES form when the subject is a singular number subject and is third person. For example, he, she, it, or John or Joseph. These are the examples of third person singular number subjects. Okay, let's see some example sentences. He visits his family regularly. So he is a third person singular number subject and the verb visits has a S at the end. So it's a S form of verbs or ES form of verbs. He visits his family regularly. She cooks nice food. He teaches English. John learns new languages. Joseph helps the destitute. So if you look at these sentences, you can see the subject is the third person singular number subject and the verb is taking S or ES to the end of it. So hopefully you have learned your present indefinite tense from this lesson. Thank you for learning English grammar at Sayahdeen Academy.